Okay, I need you to stop scrolling for a second because what I just found is actually insane. These new AI video generators just dropped, and I am not exaggerating when I say they are better than tools people are paying $200 a month for. Look at these clips on screen right now. Every single one of these was made for free using platforms I'm about to hand you in this exact video. Not one platform, not two. I'm going to show you a full lineup, and every one of them costs $0 if you set it up the right way. And that's the part nobody talks about. Most people sign up, get excited, generate one video, and boom, paywall. That's not because the tool isn't free. It's because there's a specific order you have to do things in to unlock the free tier. Skip a step and you're stuck. So I'm walking you through this one step at a time so you never hit that wall. You're gonna see tools like Kling, Grok, Veo, and a few Chinese models almost nobody in the West is talking about, yet all usable for free once you know the trick. Here's the best part. The further we go, the better and more generous the platforms get. The last one I show you is currently ranked #1 on the AI video leaderboard, and it has no limit on how much you can generate. Let's get into it. The AI platforms I'm going to be showing you in this video require a strict sign-up process, so make sure not to skip a step, and I'll guide you through on how to generate free AI videos with these platforms. So this right here is the first AI platform I'm going to be showing you. And this platform actually lets you use Seedance 2 for completely free, because if you head over here and click on AI creation, you'll be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that the interface looks really, really clean. And so you can actually generate images using the Seedream 4.5 model, as well as the Seedream 5 Pro. And if you head over here and click on videos, you can see that you can actually use Seedance 2 for the generations, and this is completely free. Firstly, let's test out the image generator by clicking here on image and typing in a simple prompt, like we can say realistic image of a dog playing in a park. Just like this, I can upload the reference image by choice and choose the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 1:1. And lastly, you can choose the style for this. But I don't have a specific style in mind, so I'll just let the AI platform choose what's best based off the prompt. So all you have to do is click right here on generate. And in no time, our image is currently being generated. Now, do keep in mind that the AI platforms will progressively keep getting better. And at the end, I'll show you the ultimate AI platform that lets you use almost every single AI model out there for completely free. Okay, our images are done generating. And from the looks of it, you can see the amazing quality we get with this AI platform. And this is not something to joke about, because it's completely free for me and you to use. And the quality is just outstanding. You can click right here and download it straight into your device. Now let's test out the video generating model. Because if you click right here on create video, you can see you can type in a simple prompt to test this out. For example, I can say, realistic video of a man walking down a dark alley, just like this. And you can as well choose the duration and the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 1:1 as well, and send this over. And our video is currently being generated, so do give this a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us. This isn't like other AI platforms that are free, that will just give you some low quality videos. This actually uses Seedance 2 to generate our videos for us. And it is completely free. Now, in no time, our video is done generating. Let's play this and take a look at what it generated. Isn't that just great? And it even generates with audio. So this is hands down the best way to use Seedance 2 for completely free. And do keep in mind that all the links to this platform will be in my Discord server below. So make sure to join in, and the links will be right there for you to access. So the next platform I'm going to be showing you is this one. And I don't know why more people don't talk about this, because it's actually completely free to use. And the quality you get with this is outstanding, somewhat even better than Veo 3. But if you click right here, you can see you have the option to create images and videos, which is just great. So firstly, before we test out the video generator, let's try generating images with it by clicking right here on Create Image. And we can type in a simple prompt to test this out. For example, I can say, realistic picture of a man sitting on a bench, just like this. And we can choose the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 1:1 again, and send this over. And in no time, our image is currently being generated. Just give this a couple of seconds, and in no time, we have this beautiful, beautiful image right here. And this is just great. The quality and everything is outstanding. No weird morphing, no distortion, and you can as well click right here on Create Video to turn this into a fully fleshed out video. Well, I'm just gonna download this by clicking right here on Download. I can head back and test out the video generator by clicking right here and selecting Create Video. You can then type in a prompt. For example, I can say, woman drinking coffee at a cafe, just like this. And you can then choose the aspect ratio and click on Generate. And in a couple of moments, you will be seeing the reason that I said that this platform might even be better than Veo 3. So just give it a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us. Okay, in no time, our video is done generating, and let's take a quick preview of what it generated for us.
This one's perfect. Just the right balance.
Yeah, I'll take another in 5 minutes.
And this is just great. No weird morphing, no distortion. And it generates with that Veo 3 type feel, and audio included, for completely free. And you can click right here and download it straight into your device as well. So now, for the last AI platform that I'm going to be showing you, which is actually the best, is this one right here. Because if you look around, you can see that the quality and models you get with this are truly, truly a lot. Now, you might be wondering, how do I generate with this? Firstly, all you have to do is type in a prompt. For example, I can say realistic video of a woman walking down a busy street, just like this. And if you click right here on models, you can see that most of these models here are free. And some of them even come equipped with audio. So for this, I'm gonna go in with the Real Motion 3.1 Turbo. All you have to do is click on it and select the duration, which will go with 5 seconds. And for the aspect ratio, you have the ability to choose from a wide variety that's listed here. But for this, I'm gonna go with 1:1. Now all you have to do is click right here on Generate. And our video is currently being generated. So just give this a couple of minutes while it generates our realistic video for us. While this is generating, do keep in mind that all the links to these platforms will be in my Discord server. So do make sure to use the link below and join in for the links to all these AI platforms. Okay, in no time our video is done generating. Let's play this and take a look at what it has generated for us. And honestly, this was just great. They also have image generation models, which you can test as well by clicking right here on Image. I'll be led over to this interface where you can type in a simple prompt. I can say, image of a cat playing, just like this. And you can choose the model. You can see most of these are free. I'm gonna go with the first one and choose the aspect ratio. All you have to do is click right here on Generate, and in no time, you should have this beautiful image right here. And now that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure to test out these platforms. And if you watched all the way to the end, drop a comment saying video generator. That indicates you watched to the end. And I do appreciate every like and subscription. And once again, links will be in my bio.